Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You already have the basics. Start by opening a terminal in the project root so you operate on the correct repository. Run git version if you need to confirm Git is available, then run git remote v immediately to list configured remotes and their URLs. This command shows each remote name with fetch and push addresses. Reading both helps you understand which URL Git uses for reads versus writes. Once you see it, note whether the URL is SSH or HTTPS, so you choose the right access method later. Next, inspect details to understand how the remote is configured. Run git remote show origin or git remote show name to get fetch/push refs and the default branch. This explains which branch tracks which remote. If you need the exact stored value, open git/config and look for remote name with URL equals, because that is the authoritative setting. Also list git remote to see multiple remotes. Knowing origin versus additional names matters when you have forks or upstream repos to coordinate with. Finally, copy the SSH or HTTPS URL shown and use it for cloning, adding a remote, or CI configuration. To verify connectivity, run git ls remote URL or git remote show name after updating the remote. Successful output confirms access and correct URL. If you encounter authentication or permission errors, first check your SSH key is added to the provider or inspect the credential helper for cached HTTPS credentials. If problems persist, run.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.